In 2011, 600 out of 1,600 people passed the entrance test of a school. 400 out of 1,000 people passed the entrance test of the same school in 2012. In which year did the highest percentage of people pass the entrance test of the school? Here we will compare the result of 2 years. In 2011, 600 out of 1,600 people passed the entrance test of a school. In 2012, 400 out of 1,000 people passed the entrance test of the same school. In which year did the highest percentage of people pass the entrance test of the school? First, we will find the percentage of each year, then we can easily compare the highest percentage of each year. Percentage of 2011. To find the percentage, we will multiply by 100%. 100 into 6, 600. 100 into 16, 1,600. 6 out of 16 times 100. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 8, 16. 3 out of 8 times 100. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 25, 100. 3 out of 2 times 25. 3 times 25, equals 75. 75 half, equals 37.5%. In 2011, percentage of passed people is 37.5%. Now, percentage of 2012. .400 out of 1,000 times 100%. 100 into 1, 100. 100 into 10, 1,000. 400 out of 10 times 1%. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 40, 400. 40 times 1%, equals 40%. In 2012, percentage of passed people is 40%. Now you can easily compare highest percentage. A higher percentage of people passed the entrance test of the school in 2012.